Fal.ai is making waves as an AI model hosting platform, but is it really worth the hype? Today, we're diving into the features, usability, and potential downsides of Fal.ai to see if it lives up to its promise. Fal.ai positions itself as a comprehensive solution for hosting and deploying AI models. At its core, the platform lets users easily upload their models and manage them through a user-friendly interface. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, which is great for both beginners and experienced developers alike. You can monitor your models, track performance metrics, and even manage versioning all in one place. What stands out immediately is the flexibility it offers in terms of deployment options. You can easily integrate your models into various applications, which is a big plus for developers looking to streamline their workflow. However, there are some areas that feel a bit unclear, like the specifics of their pricing structure. It's not immediately obvious how costs scale with usage, which could be a concern for those on tighter budgets. The intended audience seems to be developers and businesses looking to leverage AI without getting bogged down in the technicalities of infrastructure management. Now, let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, Fal.ai offers a really user-friendly experience which can save a lot of time for developers who just want to get their models up and running. The deployment flexibility is another strong point, allowing for a wide range of integrations. On the downside, the lack of transparency around pricing is a bit frustrating. Users may find themselves unsure of what their costs will be as they scale up. Additionally, while the platform is robust, there are some advanced features that might be missing, which could leave more experienced users wanting. Overall, while it's great for small to medium projects, larger enterprises or those needing very specific functionalities might need to look elsewhere. In conclusion, Fal.ai is worth considering if you're looking for a straightforward way to host and deploy AI models. It's especially suited for developers who want ease of use without diving deep into the infrastructure. However, if you're managing larger projects or need clear pricing, exploring other options might be a safer bet.